Hey guys, welcome back to Mystery Box March. As we said in yesterday's video, we need to clear a hole here, so that is what I'm going to do. I am probably just going to push this crap back into that corner so we can start laying out our cabinets here. And that is what I did. At least I've gotten down far enough to unearth one of the shelving units, and these are apparently Sandusky UR361872PB5P-SV shelves, and if I remember right, these are like monster shelves or something. I'll find what they actually were and link them in the description. But what I need to do now is I'm actually just going to put one together because, I can get a tape measure out and measure it, but it's never the same until you actually lay it out and look at it. And I just want to put one together and see how it's going to fit by this door and just kind of see how I like it. And we got one built, and I can see right away that all four of those are going to occupy this whole wall. And I'm thinking I'm more or less okay with that. In the long term, I may actually want to pull them back over here, because there's just kind of a nook here that's sort of useless for anything else, but I'm not really utilizing the basement very fully down here anyway, so I don't think it'll really be an issue. I think it'll be okay. I just need to clean the rest of that crap out of there and build the other four, and then I can start putting stuff on them. So that is what we're going to do, and just to make things a little bit more fun, I'm going to strap the chest rig on and throw the GoPro in it and get you some point of view shots so it's not just me coming back and forth to the video and going, look, we got stuff done. You can actually kind of follow a sort of sped up time-lapse type of deal with me. So let's get into it. Got a big pile of garbage in our way, and I'm probably going to shop back here after I get all this crap moved just to deal with spider contamination and whatever's been down here. I've never cleaned down here, and it wasn't clean when I moved in, so it's been like this for years. So let's get to work. So we've established a hole, and you can see I didn't spare any luxury there for myself. We've just barely got enough hole to actually put stuff in. But I think I got enough room over here to actually build the shelves, and then we'll start getting them lined up across the wall where they belong. That'll be fun. All right, you dirty voyeurs. That's that. Unless you want this to be Mystery Shelf Building March, I got to do that 2 more times. It's going to be faster if I don't wear the chest rig and all that crap, and I really don't know how great that video is going to be anyhow. I'm going to do that off camera and try to get it busted out tonight, or this is going to take 1,000 years. Also, you may have noticed how utterly disgusting this window is. Yeah, me too. You guys just spent about as much time down here in the last 2 years as I have, so this is all news to me. I'll have to get some bleach and stuff and clean that up, but just don't want you thinking I think that's okay, because it's totally not. We need to get that cleaned up, and if this window leaks, the landlord needs to come fix it. And there we go, all 3.5 of them built. Yeah, we had a problem. These are little corner support things that go right here. They actually join 2 different pieces together, and I only got 3 in one box. instead of 4. So now we're going to have a good time getting customer support for something I bought like 25 months ago from the original company. We'll see what they do. If they won't just like send me one, I'll happily buy one because of course I need it. I can't scrap out the whole shelf, or I guess the worst case is that I have to make something, but let's hope it doesn't come down to that. But anyway, that is where we landed for today. And Mystery Box March takes no prisoners and gives no quarters, so this is plenty good enough. We can put a whole lot of crap on these 3 shelves while we wait a week or 2 or whatever for whatever is going to go on down there. So you can see the hoard actually looks much worse now because I shoved everything back further to be able to get started, but at least now we can get started. We've got totes and boxes and crap right here. We can just start throwing stuff up. That's going to be the end of this one, guys. As always, appreciate you stopping in. We'll catch you on the next one. I'm Max, that's Saddington Bear, and we make videos like this all the time. Here are a couple links to some other videos we've made, and we really appreciate you guys stopping in.